Excelling at telephone etiquette. Mastering language and tone. Hello, and welcome back to our series on telephone etiquette. Today, we'll dive into an essential subtopic: using appropriate language and tone while taking messages. This skill is crucial in various settings, from professional environments to personal interactions. Let's get started. When taking a message over the phone, your choice of language and tone can significantly impact the interaction. The language should be clear, concise, and polite, ensuring the message is accurately captured and delivered. The tone of your voice plays an equally significant role. It can influence how your message is received. A friendly, respectful, and patient tone can create a positive impression and make the communication smoother. When it comes to using the right language, clarity and politeness are crucial. Use simple, direct words and phrases. Avoid using jargon or complicated terms unless necessary. Always address the caller with respect. Use courtesy titles like Mr., Ms., or Doctor when appropriate. Be sure to ask for all the necessary details: name, contact information, and the message they wish to leave. For example, "Hello, this is your name speaking. May I ask who's calling? May I have your contact information, please? Could you please share the message you wish to leave?" Setting the right tone is as important as using the appropriate language. Here are some guidelines. Be polite and respectful. Your voice should reflect a positive attitude, even if the conversation becomes challenging. Speak clearly and confidently. Make sure your words are easily understandable. Listen actively. Show interest in the conversation. This will assure the caller that their message is important to you. Let's practice with a few example conversations. Scenario 1. You. Good morning. This is Sarah. How may I assist you today? Caller. Hello. I'd like to leave a message for Dr. Smith. You. Sure. I'd be happy to take your message. May I ask who's calling, please? Scenario 2. You. Hello. This is John. May I help you? Caller. Yes. I need to cancel my appointment for tomorrow. You. I understand. May I have your name and the time of the appointment, please? That wraps up our lesson on using appropriate language and tone while taking messages over the phone. Remember, a clear language and a friendly tone can greatly enhance your communication skills and leave a positive impression. Keep practicing, and you'll master this skill in no time. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more on telephone etiquette in our next videos. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.